1 to 20. O-N-E, one. 1. T-W-O, two. It's two. 3. T-H-R-E-E, three. 4. F-O-U-R, four. 5. F-I-V-E, five. 6. S-I-X, six. 7. S-E-V-E-N, seven. 8. E-I-G-H-T, eight. 9. N-I-N-E, nine. 10. T-E-N, ten. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. T-H-I-R-T-W-E-N, 13. 14. F-O-U-R, four. T-W-E-N, 14. 15. F-I-F-F, T-W-E-N, 15. 16. S-I-X-X, T-W-E-N, 16. 17. S-E-V-E-N, seven. T-W-E-N, 17. 18. E-I-G-H-T-W-E-N, 18. 19. N-I-N-E, nine. T-W-E-N, 19. 20. 20. T-W-E-N, 20. Y-T, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. Hello kids, it's time to learn. And it's time to learn alphabets. A is for apple. Apple. B is for bottle. Bottle. C is for cup. Cup. D is for dino. Dino. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for gift. Gift. One. 2. TWO. Two apples. 3. THREE. Three moons. 4. FOUR. Count the floors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 floors. 5. FIVE. 5. Count the cups. 5 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cups. 6. SIX. 6 fish. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fish. 7. SEVEN. 7 jellyfish. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 jellyfish. 8. EIGHT. 8 bottles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bottles? 8 bottles. 9. Mushrooms. NINE. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 mushrooms. 10. TEN. 10 lemons. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Hello kids, it's time to learn the sounds of animals. Are you ready? Cat says meow, meow, meow. Lion says roar, roar, roar. Tiger says growl, growl, growl. Monkey says whoop, whoop, whoop. Camel says grunt, grunt, grunt. Deer growl. Deer says growl. Mosquito says whine, whine. Bull says bellow, bellow. Chick says cheep, 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 cheep. Rabbit says squeak, squeak, squeak. Lamb says bleat, bleat, bleat. Hen says cluck, 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 cluck. Dog says woof, 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 woof. Elephant says trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. Cow says moo, moo. Cow says moo. Duck says quack, 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 quack. Fish says splosh, fish says splosh. Donkey says bray, bray, bray. Horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Wolf says howl, howl, howl. Bat says screech, screech, screech. Dolphin. Dolphin says click, 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 click. Hippo. Hippo says growl, growl. Snake. Snake says hiss, hiss. Goat. Goat says ba, ba, ba. Hello kids, let us learn the vegetables with the colors. Are you ready? Yes. What color is this? Red. Tell me, what color is this? Red. Chili, red chili. Bell pepper. Red, radish, red potato, beetroot. All of these are red in color. Yellow. Tell me, what color is this? Yellow. Corn is yellow. Yellow bell pepper. Squash is yellow. It's yellow. Green. Tell me, what color is this? Green. Cabbage is green. Cucumber is green. Salad leaves are green. Peas are green. Ladyfinger is green. Broccoli. Do you like broccoli? Yes, it's green. Green. Spinach is green. Green beans are green. Asparagus is green. Wow. Orange. You tell me, what color is this? Orange. Wow. Carrot is orange. Pumpkin is orange. Purple. What color is this? Purple. Eggplant is purple. Purple cabbage. Wow. White. What color is this? White. Repeat with me. White. Garlic is white. White onion. Cauliflower is white. All these are white vegetables. Mushrooms are white and radish is white. Brown. Come on, tell me, what color is this? Brown. Potato is brown and ginger is brown. Hello kids, let us learn both the capital and small alphabets. A. A is for alligator. B. B is for banana. C. C is for cap. D. D is for duck. E. E is for egg. F. F is for floor. G. G is for glass. H. H is for hen. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jeep. K. K is for king. L. L is for lamb. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for octopus. P is for pigeon. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for water. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zoo. Hello kids, let us learn vehicles from A to Z. A is for airplane. B is for bicycle. Do you have bicycle? C is for car. D is for dump truck. Yellow dump truck. E is for electric car. F is for fire truck. G is for golf cart. H is for helicopter. I is for ice boat. J is for jeep. K is for kite. L is for lorry. M is for motorcycle. N is for narrowboat. O is for oil tanker. P is for police car. Q is for queen car. R is for racing car. S is for ship. T is for taxi. Yellow taxi. U is for unicycle. V is for van. W is for wagon. X Y is for yacht. Z is for zeppelin. Hello kids, let us learn gardening tools. Do you like gardening? Yes. What is this? Water sprinkler. This is water sprinkler. Hand trowel. What is this? This is hand trowel. Shovel. What is this? It's garden shovel. What is this? This is garden scissors. Garden scissors. Garden spade. What is this? It's garden is this? It's hand rake. Garden bucket. Repeat it again. Garden bucket. Garden hose to water the plants. What is this? It's garden hose. Garden head. What is this? Garden head. Gloves. Do you have garden gloves? Yes. Apron. Garden apron. Do you have it? Yes. Gardening boots. These are specific for gardening. Gardening boots. Gardening hoe. What is this? It's gardening hoe. Eggs. What is this? This is eggs to cut the wooden plants. What is this? It's garden fork. Garden fork. Sickle. What is this? It's sickle. Scythe. What is this? It's scythe. Lawn mow. What is this? It's lawn mow. Grass trimmer. It's the grass trimmer. What is this? This is wheelbarrow for the garden. Wheelbarrow. Hello kids. Let us learn the fruits from A to Z, all alphabets. A. A is for apple. A is for apple. B. B is for banana. B is for banana. C. C is for cherry. C is for cherry. D. D is for date. D is for date. E. E is for elderberry. Elderberry. F. F is for fig. F is for fig. G. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. H. H is for honeydew melon. Honeydew melon. I is for Indian mango. Indian mango. J. J is for jackfruit. J is for jackfruit. K. K is for kiwi. K is for kiwi. L. L is for loquat. L is for loquat. M. M is for mango. M is for mango. N. N is for nectarine. N is for nectarine. O. O is for orange. O for orange. P. P is for pear. P for pear. Q. Q is for quince. Q for quince. R. R is for raspberry. R is for raspberry. S. S is for strawberry. S is for strawberry. T. T is for tomato. Tomato is a fruit. U. U is for ube. U is for ube. V. V is for Wawanga. V is for Wawanga. W. W is for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. X is for Ximenia. S for Ximenia. Y. Y is for yuzu. Y for yuzu. Z. Z is for zest. Z for zest. Hello kids. let us learn alphabets. Capital letter alphabets. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for hen. I is for iguana. J is for juice. K is for cattle. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nose. O is for octopus. P is for parrot. Q is for question. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for tortoise. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Hello kids, let us learn about some farm animals. Are you ready? Yes. Hen. What is this? Hen. What does the hen gives us? Hen gives us eggs and meat. What is this? It's a rooster. What does the rooster gives us? Rooster gives us only meat. Buffalo. What is this? It's a buffalo. What does the buffalo gives us? It gives us milk and meat. Duck. What is this? Duck. What does the duck gives us? Duck gives us eggs and meat. Donkey. It's a donkey. What does the donkey do? It is used as a transport. Sheep. It's a sheep. What does the sheep gives us? Sheep gives us food, meat and milk. Goat. What does the goat gives us? It gives us only milk and meat. Camel. It's a camel. What does the camel do? Camel is used as transport. It gives us ride. Rabbit. What does the rabbit do? Rabbit gives us meat. Yummy meat. It's a friendly pet. Dog. What does the dog do? It protects all the other farm animals. is a cow. What does the cow gives us? It gives us milk and meat. Horse. What does the horse do? Horse is used as a transport. It is used as a carriage. It gives us ride. Fish. Beautiful fish. Fish gives us meat. Honeybee. Honeybee is also a farm animal. It gives us honey. Do you like honey? Yes. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.